PDR is a design, innovation and research centre based in Cardiff that serves clients all over the world. In the last couple of years, we've expanded into 5 new markets across Europe and the Americas. We started exporting because we really wanted to compete on the world stage. Welsh Government support's been fundamental to our export growth. From something that was maybe 5 or 10% of what we did 8 years ago to 50% at least of our turnover. It's changed us from being a purely domestic UK company to somebody that's now focused very much internationally. Our biggest challenge as a company that sells services is establishing trust at distance overseas. The way that we overcome that problem is you have to be there. Of the support we've had from the Welsh Government, the trade missions have really stood out as the most beneficial thing for us. They have opened doors, introduced us to key people, helped us understand markets and really helped us to grow our business overseas. And that is really exciting.